Good morning, students. In the previous class, you have learned about the religious festivals. Today you will learn about the national festivals. All Indians celebrate national festivals. We have three national festivals: Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Independence Day. In India, we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every year. India gained freedom from the British on 15th August 1947. The Prime Minister hoists the national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi and addresses the nation. On this day, the national flag is hoisted across the country. Here in these pictures, you can see that the Prime Minister is addressing the nation from the Red Fort on Independence Day. Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January every year. India became a republic on this day in 1950. It is the day when India's constitution came into force. The President of India takes the salute at the Republic Day parade in Delhi. The parade includes a march past by the Army, Navy and Air Force, performances by troops of school children and floats representing the different states of India. The parade ends with a colorful fly past by Air Force jets in a Tiranga formation. Here you can see the images of Republic Day parade. Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi's birthday 2nd October is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhiji played an important role in India's freedom struggle and is known as the father of the nation. This is practice work. You have to write down this question and answer in your EVS notebook. Question: when did India gain freedom from the Britishers? India gained freedom from the British on 15th August 1947. This is for homework. You write down this question and answer in your EVS notebook. Question: when do India celebrates Republic Day and why? Answer: Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January every year, as in this day India's constitution came into force. This is fun activity. Draw and color this picture in your EVS notebook. So students, I hope you have understood what is national festival and why we celebrate Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Thank you.